Understanding reject publicly in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a commonly used phrase in English, reject publicly. This phrase can be crucial in various contexts, and understanding it can greatly enhance your English communication skills. So, let's dive in and unravel its meaning and usage together. Reject publicly is a phrase composed of two parts, reject and publicly. To reject means to refuse to accept, submit to, believe, or make use of something. The word publicly refers to doing something in public, in view of other people, or openly. Therefore, to reject publicly means to openly refuse or disapprove of something or someone in a public setting. This could happen in various scenarios like a public announcement, social media, a press conference, or even in a group discussion. 1. Political context. A politician might reject publicly a policy proposal during a press conference. 2. Social media. A celebrity might reject publicly rumors about their personal life on Twitter or Instagram. 3. Personal relationships. Someone might reject publicly a romantic proposal in a public setting. Rejecting publicly can serve various purposes. It can be used to make a clear and strong statement, disassociate oneself from an idea or person, clarify a stance or position to a wide audience. However, it's important to use this phrase carefully, as it can have significant social implications. Public rejection can cause embarrassment or conflict, so it's crucial to be respectful and considerate. I hope this video helps you understand the phrase, reject publicly, and its nuances in English communication. Remember, language is powerful, and how we use it, especially in public contexts, can have a big impact. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.